Hey folks, I have a baritone instrument to show you today. This is number 919, and the body is all myrtle. It's a really cool myrtle tree that I got that was from around Portland, and it's got some of the best dark mineral staining I've ever seen on a set of myrtle. And I have more of it that looks like this, and I love that the rest of the board has lighter looks with these dark streaks. And then I did the same myrtle for the fretboard, headplate, and bridge. A little maple star in the headplate there. And I love showcasing the two different colors of myrtle there. And then just a simple mahogany neck. This one has 1.5 inch nut width. And it's strong, it's kind of normal baritone with a low D. Yeah, it's very dark and rich, but it's got some good sparkle and detail to it. It's a really nice instrument. So that's 919, ready to go? Cheers.